Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to display your region to your friends on the Facebook app for PC following the latest update. If you want your friends to see where you're from, or just want to control who can view your region, this step-by-step guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all your settings. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, you'll notice several tabs and sections. What you want to do next is head over to the About section. Click on it to open up more details about your account. Inside the About section, you'll see an overview of your personal information. Scroll through this overview until you find the part labeled Region. This is where your current region or location is displayed. Next to your region, there's a small audience icon. It might look like a little globe or two heads together. Click on this icon to open your audience settings for your region information. A menu will pop up with different privacy options. Here, you'll want to select Friends. This option ensures that only people you've added as friends on Facebook can see your region. It's a great way to share your location with people you trust while keeping it private from everyone else. Once you've selected Friends, simply click Done to save your changes. That's it. Your region is now visible to your friends and hidden from everyone else. If you ever want to change this setting, just repeat these steps and choose a different audience. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Facebook and other social media platforms. See you in the next video.